Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I wanted to show you this great festive tags kit from Stampin' Up. It's in our kits collection in the online exclusives, only available in the online store. Let me tell you, this is a great kit to do with your kids, to do with some friends, your grandkids. It's super simple to do. They can help you with almost every step. And so I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So we're going to get started. So I have one already open, and I have put two of the tags of each of the 5 designs together already so that I could give you some tips when assembling. So you get this great colorful pictorial instruction sheet, and you have, first of all, I want to point out there are the 5 different designs right here, and it shows you which elements in the kit you need for each tag. Okay, so my favorite way to assemble this is to get all my pieces and sort them for one kind of tag, then another and another. Now, as it happens, we were traveling for about an hour yesterday, and I did 2 of each tag while I was riding in the car. I had everything I needed. I threw in a pair of scissors, my paper snips, to take with me, and I was able to do 2 of each tag riding in the car. Okay, so it's great for travel too. So let me show you the first tag. You go over here, open it up, and it has tag number 1. Well, I've got a dimensional there that got caught. All right, so you're going to need a sentiment from this sentiment sticker sheet, and then a little ornament, and then 2 tags, okay? So let me go ahead and show you. I'll put that together. So I want the ornament die cut. So there that is. And then I need this peach colored tag. So here is that, and then it has this, you punch the little hole out of the top. You have a little bit of little punch out there. And then let's see, then we have this striped larger tag for the back. And it's in gold and white. So I'm going to punch this little thing out. We don't need that. So we have the 2 tags. All right. So now we're going to take our little ornament, and it shows that it has 2 Stampin' Dimensionals. So my granddaughters love using these dimensionals, and they're so easy to use. They don't get their hands all sticky, as in with the glue, and it sticks just great. Okay, so we're going to put that there. Then I'm going to get my sticker sheet that comes in, I believe it's 4 languages. And so you look for the English or whichever language you're using. And this one is going to say for you. So there's that sticker. They can surely do that part. And it's going right down here. Then you take the other tag, line that up. And this is the part they may need help with. So you can pre-cut these, which is what I did in the car. I cut all my twine that I knew I was going to need. So this is about 8.5 inches you need for each tag. So let's go ahead and cut all 5 of these that we're going to need today. And you could do this ahead of time for your kids or grandkids. I'm just lining up. Once I measured it, they give you a little ruler on the side of your instructions, so you don't even have to worry about finding that. I'm telling you, it's a great kit, and I could not get over how cute it was and then how simple it was to put together. Okay, we need 1 more piece, so let me go ahead and cut that, and that will be ready. Whoops. Okay, move this back over here. All right, so now let's go back to our tags. You're going to take the piece of twine, double it, and you probably know the drill here, but this is something that probably older children could do, and younger ones could learn to do it too, but it's a little bit more fine motor skill. But look, there's our tag, and then we have these cute little gold dots. And this one shows that it has one dot on it. Let me go back over here. It's right. Shows the one embellishment and shows you where to put it. So how fun would this be for when watching Christmas movies or just having a fun evening with your grandkids? Have some Christmas music playing in the background. I think that'd be super fun. Okay, so next, number 2, we're going to do the snowman. So I see I need the snowman die cut. This is the background tag. Let me find. No, that's not the background tag. The little crosshatch check is. Let's crosshatch. Yep, right there. And then let's see, we need the snowman. So these punch out very easily. Watch. So the kids would love to do that too. Okay, so we have our pieces here. So we're going to use Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of the snowman. I mean, super fun. Just layer that there. And then it says Be Merry from our sticker sheet. So they could find the Be Merry and put that there. Okay, now that we have that, we can punch these 2 holes out. And what's great about the directions is they don't even have to know how to read. Okay? They can look at the pictures and know what to do. I love that. Okay, so that goes there. Let's go ahead and put our twine. And you could have several, kids working on this at one time. Give each one of them a particular type of tag. You could probably even cut the directions apart so they could see. Just all kind of things you can do. And I think it's just a great little activity. Okay, let's see. It has 3 of these little gems on this one. So there's tag number 2. All right, let's look and see what number 3 is. Oh, it's this pretty one with this pretty flower here. So we're going to need the flower die cut. Punch that out. And then we're going to need this tag with the light blue outline. I can find it. Here it is. So this one right here. And then that red background one is kind of striped. So let me grab that. Is that it? Yeah, I think so. Okay. All right, so now we need to go ahead and put your flower on first. And let me show you what I found made it a little easier. Instead of putting the dimensionals like it shows here on the back of the flower, I know that it goes like this with these 3 little red buds going toward the center there. And so I'm going to put my dimensionals on this piece. I found that easier than hit and miss on the back, especially I've thought about, working with kids doing this. All right. So let's do that. And then it says Merry Christmas. So we're going to find the word Merry and Christmas. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and put these together with our black and white baker's twine. Stick that through. And another one ready to go. So 2 to go. Well, now I'm being butterfingers with the twine. Okay, so let's put that here, and now let's look at the next tag, the one with joy. So we have the wreath, and then the back, tag, and then this little banner tag. So let me find those. Here is the back. Okay, and then here is the banner piece. So we have that, and then we have a wreath that we need. So I'm going to punch that out, and then you're going to punch out the center of the wreath. Okay, so that's going to go there, and then we have the word joy for the center. So what I would do here, okay, and I'll tell you on these, to place the dimensionals, I put 1 at the top and then 2 down here. Just made it easier for going on the tag, okay, because the wreath is wider than the tag, and when I first put them on, I had part of the dimensional, you know, sticking out over here, so I didn't want to do that again, so I decided to put it on the back lower part, and that I could share it with you to help make it a little easier. Okay, I put that on, and then I get the joy sticker, and that goes right in the center here. Isn't that so cute? All right, and then we're going to put the 2 together with our twine, and then we'll add our little, oh, I forgot to add the gemstone on the flower. I'll bring it back and show you where it goes. Okay, so here we have 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there is the 4th tag. Now let me show you here. There's 1 gem that goes right in the center of the flower. Okay. All right, down to the last one with the little Christmas tree. And so I need the tree. And then the last 2 tags. There's that one. Here's this one. And, you know, on the back is plenty of room to write your to and from. And the kids, there's plenty of room for kids to do their own writing. So, okay, so this, you need Noel down here. So I'm going to get that sticker. And it's right like at the bottom of the tree. Okay. And then this one has 2 dimensionals to put it on that front tag. And we're going to put that over top. And then put these 2 together. And have 1 little piece of twine. Okay. Okay, got that. And for this one, it also has 3 gems. And so there are just enough gems to do your projects, your tags. And again, I think this is a great one for kids. Okay, all right. Here are all of our tags. I've got 2 of each kind. I've got the 3rd one on my desk over there. So you can see these would make lovely tags on your gifts, and it would be fun to do with your littles. So I hope you will give that a try. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.